Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off and unplugging the headset so you don't short electronics. Once done, remove the boom microphone or any detachable grills. This exposes the capsule and wiring. Use a small screwdriver only if clips prevent removal. Keep screws organized in a tray. Use a soft brush to dislodge dust first, because brushing reduces the chance of pushing debris deeper. Make sure to work in good light, so you can spot tiny fibers or corrosion before you use any liquid cleaner. Now focus on the capsule. Brush loose debris again and use short compressed air bursts from about 6–8 inches to avoid forceful moisture movement. Next, slightly dampen a cotton swab with 70% isopropyl and roll it gently around the grill and capsule edge to remove oils and grime. This dissolves residue without harming membranes. Make sure to avoid soaking the interior. Liquid ruins the PCB and solder joints. Let all parts sit undisturbed for at least 10 to 15 minutes to evaporate any residue. Reassemble the microphone carefully. Align clips and screws and fasten until snug but never over-tighten because stressed plastics can crack. Then plug the headset back in and run quick tests in your device's audio settings. Record a short clip and listen for level, clarity, and unwanted noise. If sound is still muffled or noisy, try a different cable or USB port, replace the foam windscreen, and repeat cleaning. If the problem persists, contact Hyperx support or use warranty options as your final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.